Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this series I'm going to share with you my top payment and scheduling hacks to boost your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, so on and so forth, we work with you guys, and we specialize in one thing and one thing only: getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing program. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into this series. Four payment and scheduling hacks to boost your floor cleaning business. Take a deposit on big jobs to avoid cancellations. One of the most frustrating things in the world is when you schedule a big job that's going to be a big paycheck, often hundreds and hundreds of dollars, maybe even thousands of dollars. Maybe it's like some huge restaurant. Maybe it's someone that's got a mansion. It's an 8, 9, 10 room home, and they want every room in the house done. They want all the tile in the kitchen done, in the bathroom done. It's going to take up most of the day. Maybe it's going to take up several days, and because of that you didn't schedule any more work, because obviously you're not going to be able to fit it in because you've got this big job on the books, and then at the very last minute they cancel on you. You've turned down other work because you can't fit it in on those days because you've got this big job, and you go from having this huge potential big paycheck and this big job on the books that's going to take up all your time to having 0 jobs on the books on those days and 0 money, and it's completely frustrating and totally annoying. So to overcome the issue, here is a little hack, a little trick that I would recommend to you guys to avoid that happening in the future. Have some terms and conditions in your company that state on jobs over XXX dollars, a 20% non-refundable deposit will be required. So that could be on jobs over $300, on jobs over $200, on jobs over $400, whatever it is you decide, and you can change the percentage. It could be 50%, it could be 10%, 20%, 25%. But essentially, on those really big hundreds and hundreds of dollar jobs, those thousands of dollar jobs, ultimately they have to pay a deposit up front to secure the appointment. And the reality of the situation is this: if people genuinely want that work done, A, and B, they've got the kind of money required to get that kind of work done, and they're totally down to have it done, then they are not going to have any kind of issues paying you a small upfront deposit to secure the appointment. Of course, there are going to be some people that don't want to pay that deposit, and guess what? They're the kind of customers that you want to avoid, because they don't want to pay that deposit for a reason, right? They don't want to pay that deposit because, you know what, there's a good chance that they might cancel, and so therefore they don't want to lose the money, and that's why they don't want to pay the deposit. So those are the kind of flaky kind of customers, the kind of customers that have scheduled with you but maybe they're a little bit on the fence, and maybe they're in a little bit of two minds. They're the people that you don't want on your books. They're the people that will cancel on you, and they're the kind of customers that you don't want. So the people that don't want to pay this deposit, move on, and so you're only then going to serve the customers that do want to pay this deposit. And guess what? Those that do want to pay this deposit, 99.99999 times out of 10, they are going to go through with the appointment. So that is hack number 1. Take a deposit on big jobs to avoid cancellations. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and tune in to the next part of this series. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website where you can find out more information and schedule a call. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.